All U.S. troops reportedly left Afghanistan a day before the August 31st deadline. President Joe Biden praised the military's withdrawal and vowed to help evacuate hundreds of Americans and thousands of Afghan supporters left behind. Ji-yeon has the latest.
The Pentagon announced on Monday the last U.S. flight out of Afghanistan lifted off from Kabul airport on August 30th, a day before the withdrawal deadline. This puts an end to America's longest war spanning 2 decades, costing trillions of dollars and taking the lives of nearly 2,500 U.S. troops and an estimated 240,000 Afghans.
Tonight's withdrawal signifies both the end of the military component of the evacuation, but also the end of the nearly 20-year mission that began in Afghanistan shortly after September 11, 2001. It's a mission that brought Osama bin Laden to a just end, along with many of his al-Qaeda co-conspirators.
In a White House statement, U.S. President Joe Biden praised the military for their execution of the dangerous retrograde from Afghanistan as scheduled. An estimated 123,000 civilians have been airlifted from Afghanistan since August 14th, when evacuation operations began in full swing. President Biden is slated to give a public address on Tuesday about his decision to not extend the August 31st withdrawal deadline, despite those still left behind. He said ongoing diplomatic efforts are underway to help some 100 Americans and tens of thousands of Afghan partners still in Afghanistan. Meanwhile, Taliban fighters' celebratory gunfire and fireworks lit up the Kabul night sky on Tuesday to celebrate the last U.S. troops leaving Afghanistan. Describing the U.S. troops' departure as a historic moment, Taliban spokesperson Zabihullah Mujahid wrote on Twitter that Afghanistan is now a free and sovereign nation. However, the departure of U.S. troops has many worried about a rapid return to a reign of terror in Afghanistan and the oppression of women as well as ethnic and religious minorities that defined the Taliban role in the late 1990s. There are also fears that extremists affiliated with Islamic State could gain a stronger foothold in the country, as seen by last week's suicide bombing at Kabul airport that led to the deaths of nearly 200 Afghans and 13 U.S. service members. Ji-yeon, Arirang News.